Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaimon and I am a mixing and mastering engineer here at Lunar Studio in the Netherlands. And I am really excited to get this channel started and give you an insight in the hundreds of tracks that I mix and master for some of the best EDM record labels and artists out there. And what you can expect from this channel are some mixing tutorials as well as mastering tutorials in basically any electronic dance music genre that you can think of. Now I will be going over some tips and tricks on how you can improve your mixes and what kind of gear that I'm using, what kind of plugins that I'm using, why I'm making some decisions, why I make some changes in a mix. But as well, as you can see behind me, I have a lot of hardware gear that I'm using, and I will be reviewing some of that gear. I will be giving some previews of some new gear, tutorials on certain plugins that I'm using, and explain you why I'm using this plugin and how I'm using this plugin. Now, some of you might also know me as Mercuroid. This is my producer project, where I make Psytrance. And in the last few years I've worked with some of the best labels in the scene, and I've played my music all around the world in countries like Brazil, India, Switzerland, the Netherlands, Germany, and way more. Now on this channel I'm not really going to focus on Psytrance. Of course, sometimes I will go to a project that I made and show you some tips and tricks in a mixdown, or tell you how I mix my drums or how I made this sound. But and the main goal of this channel will be basically for every genre, electronic music genre, and mainly on the mix and master sides of things. Sometimes I will also go over some producer tips and tricks, but mostly it's going to be about mixing and mastering and getting the best possible sound out of your tracks. Now, if this is something that you might be interested in, please subscribe to this channel. As I said before, this is a new channel and I can't wait to show you some insights, to give you a little bit of a sneak peek. In the next few weeks I will upload the first video that's going to be about how I mix hip-hop vocals and how I mix hip-hop drums, and show you some stem mastering that I did for a techno track. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.